Magandang araw, bagong Pilipinas. Naganap ngayong araw, December 4, 2025, ang blessing and inauguration ng newly renovated Bulwagang Lapu-Lapu dito sa Camp Brigadier General Rafael T. Crame, Quezon City. Pinangunahan ni Acting Chief PNP, Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio C. Nartates Jr. ang blessing at inauguration ng newly renovated Bulwagang Lapu-Lapu sa Camp Crame ngayong araw. Ang Bulwagang Lapu-Lapu ay isang modernong pasilidad na idinisenyo para sa mga official gatherings ng Philippine National Police. Ang proyektong ito ay bahagi ng patuloy na modernization program ng organisasyon upang higit pang mapaganda ang working environment ng ating kapulisan. Nagsimula ang programa sa ribbon cutting at unveiling of marker, kasunod ang blessing na pinamunuan ni Police Colonel Julius B. Cruz, Deputy Director ng Chaplain Service. Nagbigay naman ng warm welcome remarks si Police Brigadier General Bina H. Guzman, Acting Director ng Police Community Affairs and Development Group. Isinunod ni Police Brigadier General Martin E. Defensor Jr., Acting Director for Logistics, ang introduction of Presiding Officer bilang paghahanda sa keynote message ng ating Chief PNP. Sa kanyang talumpati, binigyang diin ni Police Lieutenant General Nartates ang pagbabagong ito ay malinaw na sumasailalim sa vision ng bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas, serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.
Information hindi pa tapos ito. We need to improve it such that there are several activities of the PNP. And we are a dynamic one, lumalaki, Europe, consisting of 230,000 personnel. Napakarami. Even the Chief PNP, kulang. No match ang command group. Apat na kami. Chief, the DCO, the DCA, the TCBS. No match. Kulang yung apat kami para sa TNPN to be with the several activities of the PNP in a daily basis. That's why my directorial staff pa. Yung directorial staff, pag sinama na yan pwedeng makover yung mga activities. And so, with those type of activities, meetings, and other activities, kulang yung public purpose natin. Kulang yung function hall natin sa taas and other areas. Kaya minsan nagre-relevant tayo. Such that, itong multipurpose na to ay suitable para i-improve such that activities like this and activities like conferences and others ay ma-accommodate natin.
Ako ang inyong Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolman Lubimir Julian, alagad ng batas tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.